Okay, so today I'll show you a practical question which is taken from IGCSE Accounting past paper. Okay, so before we start, let us have a look at the question on the screen. Preeti and Presley are in a partnership renting out properties. Presley manages the office and maintains the bookkeeping records for partnership. Okay, the partnership agreement provides for interest on drawings 5% per annum, interest on capital 4% per annum, salary to Presley $6,000 per annum. Okay, residual profits and losses to be shared 75% to Preeti and 25% to Presley. Okay, so this is a ratio to distribute the profit or loss. Okay, the partners provided the following list of balances. So here capital account balances are given, current account balances are given, drawings for the year is given. Okay, the profit for the year ended 31st January 2020 was $33,100. Okay, so we will now here prepare the profit and loss appropriation account. So what is the first item here in this account? So first of all, we need to write profit or loss for the year. Okay, the profit and loss will be given clearly on the question. If there is any expense in the business, we will subtract from the profit or loss. If there are some gains or incomes, we will add. Okay, so basically in partnership business, interest on capital, salary to any partners will be the expenses. Okay, and the revenue will be interest on drawings. Okay, so here we have these adjustments. I'll show you how to write here. So first of all, we will write profit for the year. Let us write profit for the year. If we see loss on the question, then we will write here loss for the year. Okay, so we will write on the last column here. So we will write here $33,100. Okay, so here we have $2 column just to facilitate your calculation. Okay, nothing else. So if you want to calculate with one column, it is also fine. Okay, but your calculation should be clear. Okay, then we will add the incomes for the year. Okay, so let us write add incomes. So here, what is our income in the question? We have here interest on drawings, right? Okay, so we have here two partners. One is Preeti, another partner is here Paisley, P-A-I-S-L-E-Y. Okay, so now we will calculate here the interest on drawings. Okay, so on the question we see the rate of interest on drawing is 5% per annum. Okay, per annum means per year. Okay, so now we need to know the value of drawings. Okay, for Preeti it is $15,000 and for Presley it is $13,000, right? So let us multiply the rate of drawings, which is 5%. Okay, 5%. If you multiply 15,000 by 5%, it is $750. And if we multiply 13,000 by 5%, it is $650. Okay, simple calculation, nothing complicated. So let us write here the value, the interest on drawings for Preeti, it is $750, and interest for Paisley will be here $650. Okay, so now if we add these two amounts, we get here 1,400, right? Okay, now we will add this interest on drawings with the profit for the year. Okay, so what is this here? If we sum up, we get $34,500, right? Okay, now we will subtract all the expenses from this total here. Okay, first of all, our expenses, interest on capital, right? Okay, so let us subtract less or minus, whatever you prefer, interest on capital. So here two partners, will write the name Preeti and Paisley. Okay, so on the question, the rate of interest on capital is 4%. Yeah. So now we need to know our capital. Capital is $100,000, and for Paisley, capital is $20,000. Yeah. So let us calculate here. Interest on capital. This was interest on drawing. Now here Preeti. So Preeti's capital is $100,000 multiplied by 4%, and Paisley capital is here $20,000 multiplied by 4%. Okay, so here if we multiply, we get $4,000. Okay, here we get $800. Okay, so these are the interest on capital for these two partners. Now let us write here. Preeti, it is $4,000. For Paisley, it is $800. Okay, so we wrote interest on capital. So now we need to write salary as it is an expense. Okay, so let us write here salary. So it will be for Paisley, so $6,000. We will write here 6,000. Okay, so these are the expenses we have on the question. Now what to do? Now we will add this all three expenses. Okay, then we'll write here on the outer column. So if we sum up, we get here what? It is $10,800, right? Okay, so we calculated our incomes and we also calculated our expenses. Okay, now what to do? Now we need to subtract. We need to subtract this $10,800 from this total, that is $4,500. Okay, so if we subtract, what do you get? So it is $23,700, right? So let us subtract $23,700. Okay, so what is this? This is actually residual profit. Okay, so let us write here, write residual profit. Okay, then what is our next step? We need to distribute this residual profit between these two partners, Preeti and Paisley. Okay, so on the question it is clearly written that residual profits and losses to be shared 75% to Preeti and 25% to Paisley. Okay, so first of all we will see. So let us write here the residual profit $23,000. This 75% will be for Preeti. Again $23,700 times 25%. This will be for Paisley. Okay, so here if we multiply, what you get? 17,775. Okay, and for Paisley 5,925. Okay, very simple calculation, nothing is complicated. So now we will share this profit here. So let us write share of profit. So here we will write Preeti and Paisley. Okay, so Preeti will receive 17,775 and Paisley will receive 5,925. Okay, so if we sum up these two amounts, it is same here, $23,700. Okay, so this is how you need to prepare profit and loss appropriation account for partnership business. Okay.